If your expression of interest keeps sitting there with no invitation, it's usually not bad luck. It's avoidable mistakes and weak strategy. In this video, I'll show you how to strengthen your EOI, avoid the classic errors, and use state ROIs the right way. My name is Suman Dua. I'm a registered migration agent at Nationwide Migration and Education. My team of highly experienced registered migration professionals help applicants with EOIs, ROIs, state nominations, and complex cases every day. If you want tailored help, you can book a consultation with us. The link is in the description below. So what is an EOI and what it's not? An expression of interest in Skill Select is not a visa application. It's your formal pitch to the department and the states. Your occupation, English, points, work history, eligibility. If your EOI is incomplete, overstated, or poorly targeted, you reduce your chances of being invited even with strong points. Now let's look at the offshore vs onshore EOIs and the big picture. Onshore and offshore applicants are treated differently. Offshore applicants often have more pathways because multiple states accept offshore EOIs and ROIs. Offshore candidates are often prioritized if they show strong current employment in their nominated occupation, which is critical. Onshore applicants are usually tied to their state of residence. Many programs require you to live, work, or study there. Only a few states accept interstate applicants. So offshore candidates can spread their chances across states, while onshore candidates need to go deep and align tightly with one state's rules. Now let's look at the registration of interest. Many states now use registration of interest, also known as ROI, as a mandatory pre-step. Without lodging an ROI, your EOI often won't be seen. The right strategy is lodge a complete EOI in Skill Select, then file state-specific ROIs where you clearly meet their criteria. Now let's look at some of the main requirements. The first one is the skills assessment. It must match your claimed occupation. Expired or mismatched assessments are a deal breaker. Number 2 is your English test. Use valid current scores. Expired results is equal to no points. And the next one is the points audit. Double check everything, your age points, work, partner skills, education, NATI, professional year. Overclaiming kills credibility. The next is your work evidence. Back theories with employer letters, contracts, pay slips, tax records. At Nationwide Migration, we strongly believe in getting your employment assessed from your skills assessing body before claiming any employment points. The next are your dates and timelines. Ensure study, employment, and assessment dates line up cleanly. Now let's look at how to target the states smartly. Now read each criterion carefully. For example, the years of experience, minimum salary, regional requirements, job offers. So these are the few things you should be checking. For offshore candidates, pick 2 to 3 states you genuinely meet instead of lodging EOIs and ROIs everywhere. Tailor each of your registration of interest. Highlight what each state values most. Don't ignore regional options. 491 regional nominations are often more accessible if you show adaptability to live and work regionally. So what are the common mistakes that cost invitations? Now this is where most EOIs fail, not on points but on avoidable errors. So the first one is overclaiming or miscalculating points, like claiming experience before your skilled date, counting partner points without valid evidence, claiming work experience which is not relevant to your nominated occupation. The next one is the skills assessment mismatches. For example, lodging under the wrong ENSCO code, using expired assessments, ignoring ROI requirements, thinking EOI alone is enough, forgetting to lodge your ROI so your profile never gets considered, expired or invalid evidence. For example, IELTS or PTE expired before invitation, assessments outside validity periods, as most assessments are valid for 2 to 3 years, degrees not recognized as equivalent, wrong state or wrong stream. Or it could be that you are applying where you clearly don't meet the criteria. For example, ignoring fine print like regional residence required, or not updating your EOIs. Another error could be forgetting to adjust when points change. letting expired English sit in your profile. Now, each of these mistakes can cost you an invitation, even if you have high points. At Nationwide Migration and Education, we build EOIs and ROIs that are consistent, evidence-backed, and state-ready. Our team of highly experienced registered migration agents will audit your points, align your evidence to ANSPO, and prepare targeted ROIs for the best fit states. Whether you are offshore or onshore, we can help you put forward your strongest case. Book a consultation through the link below. If you have any questions in regards to Australian migration, please get in touch with us. You can visit our website nationwidemigration.com.au and book a consultation online. If you would like to stay updated about Australian migration, please subscribe to our channel.